If you've got a Consew 206RB, any of the variants from 1 to 5, and it won't pick up the bottom thread and it certainly won't sew, you may just have a popped safety clutch. Now luckily this is one of the easiest things to fix on an industrial machine, and I'll show you how. The main symptom of a popped safety clutch is you can't pick up the lower thread. Basically when you rotate the hand wheel, the rotary hook won't be moving. This is the safety clutch mechanism, and I'll reach up on top of the machine and press down the silver button that will engage the shaft. So basically the idea is I push down the button and I'll rotate the hand wheel toward me until I feel that button depress and engage into the shaft. Once that happens, I'll continue rolling the hand wheel towards me, and there, I just felt it click into place. Now my safety clutch is re-engaged, and if you rotate it around a bit, you can actually see there's a little ball bearing that engages in a hole in the safety clutch. And that's what you're looking for. Once you see that ball bearing stop in the detent formed by that hole, you know your clutch is engaged again. By depressing that button on the bed of the machine and rolling the hand wheel toward you, you'll quickly pop the safety clutch back into position. Now both sides of this lower drive shaft will rotate together. I'll press that button again and rotate the hand wheel away from me to disengage the safety clutch, and you can see what it looks like when it pops back into place. There we go. Now we're back in. Now it's out. Now it's in. Just look for that little ball bearing to pop into place. Confirm the hook rotates as you move the hand wheel. Hold the upper thread back loosely and rotate the hand wheel towards you, and you can pick up the lower thread as usual. And you're ready to sew. Alright guys, give me a quick thumbs up if you like today's topic, and look for additional topics on the 206RB series, including how to adjust your needle bar height and rotary hook timing adjustment. That's a super popular topic as well. For these links, as well as the best current prices on the latest version of this sewing machine, the 206RB5, just drop down to the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.